Welcome, glad to have you guys here today. I'm going to be showing you how you can set up a Facebook business profile as well as what you can do to actually start getting new likes on it. And we're going to say, let's try to get 100 likes on your new Facebook profile, okay? All right, so once you're on your Facebook news feed, you're going to see this is updated for 2019. They just recently did this. Create a page used to be down here. Now they've moved it to a separate button right here where you can go create page. So one little thing I want to mention is a pro tip that if you're setting up this page with the intention or maybe potential that you're going to run ads on your page, then you're going to want to set up a public figure page, a personal page, because your ads are going to get a lot better return on your investment, a lot more attention as a person running these ads versus a business or a corporation or company, right? Because people are they just resonate better with a person promoting something versus a company, because you know what companies want, they all just want to sell you something. So with that being said, we're going to just go ahead and create a public figure business page, but of course if you want to, you can create a business or a brand page as well. So we're going to go ahead and just say, of course you're going to want to do your name, but then select your category. Let's just say entrepreneur for now, and go ahead and hit continue. And then it's actually going to go ahead and just create the page for us, and then we'll be able to fill in the profile picture, the header image. I'm just going to skip that for now, but you're definitely going to want to add your profile picture, nice, clean, professional headshot. And then from there, I just got an email welcoming to my new page. Awesome. So from here, now you have a business page set up, which is great. So you'll see they instantly highlight this for me. This is how then you're going to get your 100 new likes, is by inviting people. So you have a couple ways. And so if you just already have a big friend base on your personal profile and you want those people to like your new public figure page, then that's great. You can go through and see all friends and you can invite them. But the other way that I want to show you, if you're like targeting or going after a specific group, if I create this page and I'm going to start posting real estate content and I want real estate agents to see it, but you know, I don't have very many real estate agent friends, right? It's all just kind of family and friends. But you can go to this website here called Facebook Graph Search, Lookup ID. And what you can do here actually is you can search for profiles based on what their job is. So if you were searching for dentists or chiropractors or whoever you're searching for, you can search for them based on their job description. So you see now that it brings up a list of all the people on Facebook that have a realtor listed as their current occupation, and you can go through and add them as friends. Like you see I've already done, it says I'm friends with all these people, but you can add them as friends and the list will just go on and on and on. So you can go through and add them, and then as they add you back, then they'll show up here. When you go see all friends, you'll be able to actually then see their names, and you can add them manually here and just go through and select them and then send invites. I also would recommend you send each invite in Messenger, because it just is like double hitting them with like an invite notification. It's going to show a notification here that says, you know, you've been invited to like this page, and then it'll send also a message in Messenger that invites them to like your page. So you can use this tool then to actually identify very specific people that might be interested. Of course, you're going to be adding friends to your personal profile that might not necessarily be respond back or actually accept the request, but you will get 10, 20, 30% of them will actually respond back and accept it, and then you can invite them to like your page. So, you know, it's just a numbers game of how many people you actually add as a friend and then how many people you invite. But just starting out, I think you're best off just inviting friends, family, whoever you currently have on your list, and then from there, that'll build your page's credibility. And one little pro tip I want to mention is that, yes, you can get 100 likes on your profile using this method. It's just a matter of doing the math of how many people you need to add, how many invites you need to send, and how many people will actually then accept the invite and like your page. But it's important to remember that you can still run ads. If the purpose of this is to run ads, if this page is to run ads, you can still be very successful running ads with like 5 likes on your page, with 2 likes on your page. Likes don't necessarily matter. It's more just a vanity metric. But if you're actually posting organic content and your goal is to do that, you're going to want people that like your page, obviously, so that they can see that content. But keep in mind, Facebook's algorithm is getting increasingly difficult for organic content to be at the top of news feeds. So even if you have 100 people that like your page, odds are probably 5, maybe 10 of them will actually see your post. So the way that Facebook is moving is paid advertising. So if that's the goal of this, then definitely consider looking into paid advertising. I think I'll put up some other videos on how you can actually set up Facebook ads. So I hope this was helpful, guys.